Hey, this is Nate with Kick-Ass Marketers. Thanks for reaching out in the power washing, soft washing, window cleaning worldwide. I wanted to do a quick site review for you. I'll keep it short and sweet. I know you're a business owner, you got things to do, but I wanted to give you kind of a free attack plan with 3 things that you can do today to help improve your rankings on Google. We're going to talk about content, citations, and backlinks. I always start with content. With Google, content is king. They want to know that if somebody types in pressure washing in your area or window cleaning in your area, that your site is relevant to what they're searching for. So they look for about 1,000 to 1,500 words on the home page, and then about 500 to 750 on the back pages. If you go down through here, your site looks great. There's just not a lot of content on it, which doesn't leave you a lot of room to get those keywords and stuff put in there. If you go over here and look, most of the sites I look at are relatively the same. These guys have a decent amount of content on their page. They're probably pretty close to where I like to see people. And just because they've got so many, let's just do a quick check. Yeah, they're at 1,340. So they're pretty close to that 1,500, and they're right in the middle of that mark. If we go over here, this is one of the other guys that I found. They've got quite a bit of content on their page too, but it's not something that we can't beat out. We'll go check theirs too. There might actually be more than 1,500 on theirs. But content is king with Google. You can never have too much of it. So if we go down here and look, where are we at? These guys, they're at 2,500. That's a ton of content on here. So definitely something to look at on your site as far as pushing that up. The reason for that is to get into your keywords and your keyword phrases, things like that. You are showing up for 122 keywords. We can look at what some of those are. Howard Windows. I don't really count those. Those people know who you are already, or they wouldn't be typing that in. I like to look for the keywords that say who you are and what you do. Like this one right here. This is what I call a generic keyword. And that's what a lot of people are typing in. This one is window washing Orlando. It says what you do and where you're at. This particular one, there's only 30 people a month searching that, but none of them are coming to your site because you're on the 4th page in position 33. Let's see if you got another one in here. Orlando window cleaning. That's another one that says what you do and where you're at. There's 50 people that search that each month. You're number 48, which is on the 5th page. So just something to think about on your keywords and stuff like that you really want to be getting found for. Over here, this is actually one of their back pages. They've got their main pressure washing page, and they've got a back page to the Altamont Springs. So this particular back page only has 3 keywords, but Altamont Springs car wash, maid service, and car wash, and I don't even know if they really want to be found for those, but they're in 60th position through 75th, so they're not being found for those anyway. But we can look at what they've got on just their main page, kind of go in and do the same thing. And, pressure washing Winter Springs, Florida, pressure washing Orlando, they're in the 20th spot for that. So they're not ranking super high on here anyway, but, those are some of the keywords I like to look for. Orlando pressure washer, pressure washing Winter Park, commercial pressure washing Orlando. Those are the keywords we try to find. Orlando pressure washing, there's 150 people a month that search that one key phrase. And if you're in the number 1 spot, you're going to get about 1/3 of that. So you would get 50 visits a month to your website. See what these guys got? This is another back page that they have set up just for this area. And, there's only 1 keyword there. But, if you go back and look at their main homepage, pressure washing St. Petersburg, Florida, pressure washing Naples, power washing Naples, pressure washing Naples FL. So those are the type of keywords I like to see and what I would try to put on your site if I were to redo the content on it. The other thing is your citations. Citations are what helped you get into this map pack right here. We call this the Google Map Pack. A citation is your business name, address, and phone number listed in multiple directories across the internet. Merchant Circle, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, all of those directories. There's thousands of them out there, and the more of those directories you're in, the better chance you have of being in this map pack. We have a tool called WhiteSpark that we use. You're currently showing up for 14. Firehouse is showing up for 15, and Estes is showing up for 6. So we could easily bump that number up into the hundreds. If we were to take on a project like that personally, it would take us 3 to 4 weeks probably, but we could bump that number up over 300 and just blow these guys out of the water. So something to think about. It just takes time. Go out, find the directories, sign up for them, put your information in there, get as many of those as you can get. The third thing are your backlinks. Right now you're showing 46 backlinks. Backlinks are any link or any website that has a link that points back to you. It's kind of a popularity contest. The more backlinks you have, the more popular Google thinks you are and the more authority they give you. But not all backlinks are the same, so try to keep them relevant to the business that you're in. A backlink from Pizza Hut really doesn't do you much good. Some of your citations will give you backlinks too, so that's another way to pick up a few extras. If we look over here, they've got 316. These guys have over 4,000 backlinks. One of the things that we can do, and like I said, we went from being on their back page to being on their main home page, which is why they've got so many backlinks. Their back page didn't have that many. But we can go in here and do what I call the copycat method, because we can see every place these guys have a backlink. And we can go in there and try to get those same type of backlinks for you and just copy the ones that they have and then go out and find some more on our own. So some of these I'm not even sure that they are really going to be helping them. Some of these weird foreign languages and weird typing and stuff on here, like they might have some spammy backlinks on there, which actually can bring them down. And that may be why they've got over 4,000. They may have some on there they shouldn't have. But that is my basic overview. Content, 1,000 to 1,500 words on the home page, 500 to 750 on the back pages. Citations, get in as many of those directories as you can get into. And then your backlinks, just keep going out and hunting for those. Your citations will help. You can go to some of the, pressure washing, window cleaning type of blogs, read up on some articles, post a comment, put your link in there. Some of those will give you backlinks. There's lots of ways to do it. It just takes a lot of time. If you got any questions, 210-383-8401 or hit me up on Facebook, and I appreciate your time. Thank you.